So today it is a program in Toubul in Radha Damodara temple with about 25, 30 devotees coming, especially from Ifal. And this is a kitchen. So it's a big feast we has been prepared traditional way, huh? Big pots like that, different items, are there. Rice, dal, sabji, and black rice. Black rice is very important in Manipur. So actually, the Manipuri feast is very organized, you know, like that. And that kitchen is made by traditional way, means wood. It can be cow dung actually, but it is wood here. We have potato. We have to bring the fire. We have many pots. Lot of food in reserve, and some devotees are cooking. You know, so everything is organized in advance, like that. It's everybody can go to the program in half an hour. Hare Krishna.